Namaste to all of you. I am Dr. Nimisha Suryavanshi. I am Assistant Professor of Home Science and I feel everyone can be the scientist of their own home. If we all can balance our personal and professional life with perfection and happiness, we are the real home scientist. Especially at the time when we face an international pandemic, the COVID-19, which is too much problem creative period for all of us. Only the home science will play a perfect role in our daily life to protect ourselves from COVID-19. That's why today I want to introduce uh, to all of you by the subject home science. As you see, our topic is layman level understanding of home science during COVID-19 pandemic situation. Home science is a subject which is divided in 5 branches. First is extension education, then another one is food and nutrition, then clothing, textile and family resource management, and the human development and family study. These are the 5 streams which we deal in home science. Then first one, food and nutrition science. Food means ahar, the basic need of everyone, either human or animal. Both cannot live without food. Then nutrition, when included in food, called nutritive food. It makes our food very nutritive for make us healthy. Quantity of nutrition in food is depend upon the type of health of human. Diet plan must follow by person according to their physical condition. If anyone suffer from any disease, they have to change their diet plan. To fight as well to make a strong immunity, must follow proper immunity booster. Food or diet plan, which is necessary during ongoing COVID-19 pandemic situation. And the second one, the clothing textile. Clothes are also the basic need of human being. Textile science is the base of our clothing. Quality of clothing also matters for human safety if prepared scientifically or ergonomically. Scientifically means every cloth prepared scientifically. It ready according to our need. If we are facing the winter season, we are wearing woolen cloth. We are in summer season, we are wearing cotton cloth. As now in the present situation, pandemic situation, we design different type of apparel, mask, safety PPE kit will also include as part of Swavlambi Bharat scheme. During this COVID-19 pandemic situation, must wear a special cloth to protect our body from environmental infections. Then the third one stream is family resource management. Family is our priority. Even we do hard work to make our family happy. Proper utilization of resources available in our surroundings is we learn by the family resource management. With help of tools and technologies, can manage resources effectively. On the spot, we have to select particular tool for the particular job, particular work. Then work simplification and ergonomic studies also we learn from the family resource management, which is helpful to make our body fit and pain free. If we are doing our work in simplified way, we cannot feel tiredness. And if we are doing our work ergonomically, then we are always will pain free. Then controlled budget along with the time management in present COVID-19 pandemic situation would be more helpful to smart living style as per will happy life. Then the human development and family studies. Human development is based of home science which differ according to age of human. of each family will manage easily by the family studies, because it consider each member of family, either a child, either an old person. In this pandemic, everyone faced lockdown, in which many people get stressed and many enjoy this time with their family members. SDFS help us to move on with our stress and to find out our happiness. To fight with COVID-19, we have to take care of our family. Then last but not least, the extension education is also very important stream of home science, by which we find new ideas and explore them. Different programs start by the government for help of citizens, which reached to needy people directly by their extensions. Any program cannot be run without program planning, which is a major part of extension education. Then leadership. Leadership can be learned simply by the adopting extension education in a very progressive way. We survive with COVID-19 in a better way just because of a perfect leadership of our country PM. Hope you all understand the importance of each branch of home science. Thanks for watching our video along the content. For further content, please subscribe my channel. Also do share your views for further enhancement or improvements.